My name is Mark Jeeves. I'm Director of Sales and Marketing for ColorLogic, and today I'm going to show you the test form files that we received from AccuFlex and the color charts. So the skill of ColorLogic is to help our licensed printers, in this case AccuFlex, produce embellishments at a fraction of the time and cost that's normally associated in doing these type of effects. We do everything at the design stage using Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. And the way we start our system is we allow AccuFlex to reproduce our color charts. So they have 250 metallic colors they can offer their clients. And when they also produce our test form, this is a way we can show any of their brand clients what's really possible with their HP 20000 and their white ink. So this test form here, it has QR codes that explain each of our effects. And here I'm going to go over a few of the things. First of all, we obviously have the ability to produce solid, but we're also able to put white inside these to keep the hue but have different levels of metallic. Another thing we have is what we call gradation effects, the ability to take any two metallic colors and gradate them. So that's very simple to do, and that's the biggest key. AccuFlex wants to give the power of embellishment to the creative, to the designer, and they'll do what they do best. That's reproduce it and produce it into a finished product. So this is our dimensional effect. And you can see those things going light to dark. Now this one might be a little tough to see. This is our watermark effect, and that's the idea of it. So at certain angles it appears and then it disappears. It's a very good security element. And we've also produced what we call our Watermark Effects Plus, which is actually putting metallic into a process area. So both of these are very good security elements because that's very important in packaging today. So this first page explains our effects. The second page demonstrates our effects, and I mean, wow. The brand clients for AccuFlex are going to be very pleased with what they can do. Just look at what's going on in these images. It's stellar. Here's that Watermark Effects Plus. That's a security element. That's very nice. Here's our pattern effects. And because we do everything at design, just look at some of the security elements that customers could bring in to a package. Very important. So the real skill of what we do at ColorLogic in conjunction with our partner AccuFlex is this is the white ink separation. This is the HP white ink on the metallic substrate. So it's our ability and our tools and our education that we provide designers that allow them to create these type of elements inside the printed file. And that's the benefit, right? If we can enable any designer who knows Illustrator, Photoshop, or InDesign to do these type of embellishments, it allows more brands to take advantage of what AccuFlex can produce off their HP 20000. I want to thank Tom and Tim down there, Rachel, everybody for sending these up. They look stellar.